for this, we're creating a new program subscription type called a season pass. Alright, so we'll call this Fall Youth Training, and it's a custom season pass. And what the custom season pass lets us do is establish one price for it. So you can break it, so we made it fairly simple. So this is not for recurring billing or bi-weekly or any of that kind of stuff, but you can do a single payment or you can do it as two payments. So if I have a single payment option, the season here is going to start on August 22nd and it's going to run through November 20th as an example. Okay, so the session credits that get provided in this program subscription will only be valid from 8/22 until November 20th. What this allows me to do is I can charge this today to the client, and they won't be able to book anything until the season actually starts, and then they'll be able to utilize their session credits until the end of the season, and then basically that will end this program subscription. So again, this is not for recurring, this is for a very definitive bookend of start and end. You could certainly use this for challenges and things like that. Let's see, so if I wanted to do group sessions and they get 24, I don't know, whatever, however you want to build that out, right? Let me pause this for a sec. So now if I come in here and create that new program, and it's my Fall Youth Training, you'll see it'll default, it'll put the season in there. I can't edit this anymore at the client level, so this is only editable at the program subscription. It's kind of a use once and then we'll archive it once the season's done. I can set the billing start date to happen on today, and everything else will pretty much flow through at this point. Let me just hit cash. Okay, so I did the two payment option on this, so it's going to basically set them up to pay for half of it now, half of it will occur later. Hit save. Okay, so now if I go to the payment schedule, you'll see it'll automatically post it halfway through the program for the second payment if you're doing the two payment version. Obviously, if you're doing the single payment version, it would just collect it all up front. And then when I look at scheduling, he's going to have 0 available, but come the 22nd when the program starts, he'll be funded for those session credits. And he'll be able to book anything starting 8/22 going forward through the client portal. So it's a really nice way to handle youth training programs, for example, for seasonal plans like that, and hope you find that useful.